Let's fix Instagram bad quality. Now, if you're on Instagram and stories or reels are bad quality and you want to improve the quality of those specific reels, or if you're uploading stories or reels and those are bad quality, I'm going to show you how to fix all of that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So I'm going to hop into Instagram here and say you're watching different stories, you're on reels, and they're a little bit blurry. They're not quite good quality. Or if you're uploading them, there are two different settings that potentially are causing that issue. So let's tap on the profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now let's tap on settings at the top and we can tap on account towards the middle there. Now here you can see towards the bottom is data usage. So I can tap on that and there are two different things. One is use less cellular data. So if you're on cell or mobile data and you have that turned on, it will blurry and make bad quality any kind of stories or reels. It'll take a long time to load and it just won't be a great viewing experience. So make sure you turn that off. And the second thing that you should do is if you're uploading videos and those are bad quality, you can turn on upload at the highest quality. So this says always upload the highest quality even if it takes a bit longer. By doing so, you'll make sure that when you post your own reels or stories, whatever videos you're uploading, they will be at the highest resolution that your phone took in the first place. So keep in mind, of course, you can adjust the settings and resolution on your phone, but these two features change the quality of viewing and uploading videos on Instagram itself. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.